Hello friends, you are welcome to my scholars. In this video, we shall learn about some applications of trigonometry class 10th. Most of the students feel difficulty while drawing the situation given in the question. So first of all, we shall learn how to draw the diagram for this question. That is, suppose BD is a tree. This is BD. This is BD. BD. B is at bottom and D is the top of the tree. Now, due to the storm, and the broken part bends. So this broken parts, it is broken due to the storm, and the broken part is bent. So we shall bend from here, bending from here. This is here, it is bended and touching the ground. This is the ground. This blue portion is the bended part of the tree and this is the ground. This green part is ground. Shall make it again. This tree bent from here and this part of the tree is touching the ground. This is touching the ground here and this is the ground. BC is the ground. This is the ground. Blue green is the ground. Is it clear? It is B. B. And it is broken at the point E. This is point E, from where it is broken. At this point, which we are writing as C, is the D actually, and it's broken due to storm, and this point D bends and touches here. This distance CB is given 8 meters. CB is given 8 meter. Clearly, if we want to find the height of the tree, means BD, we shall find AB and AD. AD, IE, AC. AB and AC is the height of the tree, total height of the tree. So we shall apply. Let DB is the tree and AD is the broken part. Solution. Let BD is the tree. BD is the tree. and AD is the broken part. And AD, this part is broken part. So AD is broken part and AD is the broken part. This way. So this way AD, this part is the broken part. A tree breaks due to a storm and the broken part bends. It's bent from here so that the top of the tree touches the ground. This is the top of the tree. It is touching the ground at point C, the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. This is angle of the top of the tree with the ground, which is 30 degree. Clearly we can apply here with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this distance of the top of the tree to the point where it touches the ground is 8 meter from the foot of the tree. So this is 8 meter. This distance is 8 meter. This way we can consider the triangle ACB. Considering triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, we may apply tan theta or tan 30 degree for this upon this. So tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. That is AB is the perpendicular and the base is CB. So that is AB upon CB. And the value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon CB. And the value of CB is 8 meter. We may write here 8 meter. CB is 8 meter. As you can see, CB is 8 meter. So this is 8 meter. Now, AB is equal to, we can write AB is equal to eight upon root 3. This 8 will multiply with 1. 8 upon root 3. Or we can say that it is 8 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. So that will be 8 root 3 upon 3 meter. Now again, we may use cos 30 degree. We can apply here. In this triangle again cos 30 degree, which is the ratio of base and hypotenuse. This. So cos 30 degree is equal to, again in the same triangle, cos 30 degree cos 30 degree is equal to CB upon AC, base upon hypotenuse, and the value of cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is equal to CB. The value of CB is 8 upon AC. So this way, this is first, it is first. Now by cross multiplication, AC into root 3 is equal to 8 into 2, or AC is equal to AC is equal to 8 to the 16 upon root 3. Upon root 3. Similarly, we shall rationalize it. So rationalizing AC, that is the rationalizing factor for this is square root 3. So AC is equal to 16 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. That will become AC is equal to 16 root 3 upon 3. This is second. And we know that the height of the tree is AB plus AC. So therefore, height of the tree, which is AB plus AC. Height of the tree. This is the broken part and this is not broken, AB. Height of the tree is equal to AB plus AC, which is AB is 8 root 3 upon 3. 8 root 3 upon 3 and plus AC. AC is 16 root 3 upon 3. 16 root 3 upon 3. So our LCM is 3. This way 8 plus 16 is equal to 24 into root 3 upon 3. We may cancel this 24 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. This way the height of the tree is 8 root 3. Thus the height of the tree is 8 root 3. Thus the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. If we multiply it with the value of root 3, that is 1.732, we may also get other answer. So height is equal to height of the tree is equal to 8 into 1.732. That will be 13.856. So that will be 13.856 meter. Both answers are correct. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. And please don't forget writing something in comment box At least you may write from which city or country you are watching my video. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके बाय.